Today I'm going to introduce a product from zazumart with you people, and they are having these major two products with the name of eLan, and the next one is Million Elixir. And I tried it and I received these sample through one of my friend, Mr. Tahir Ali Mustafawi. He introduced me this product, and today I ordered this product to them and I received this product. Packing of this product is very excellent, and this is very long lasting product. It lasts more than 12 hours, and the price of this product is very reasonable, and I think this quality product would be not even possible to introduce in this price range. The price is very low, very reasonable, and this is very long lasting and very excellent fragrance of this product. So I offer all of you to try this Million Elixir product of zazumart.